Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Power. Today we are going to discuss about next topic, that is later Shatavahanas. Okay, in later Shatavahanas, first we are going to discuss about Gautami Putra Shatakarni. Okay, this Gautami Putra Shatakarni was the 23rd king among all the Shatavahanas. Okay, and he is the greatest king among all the Shatavahana kings. And this Gautamiputra Shatakarni ruled for over a period of 24 years. Okay, and there is an inscription called Nasik inscription. Okay, this Nasik inscription tells about the greatness of Gautamiputra Shatakarni. Okay, and this Nasik inscription was laid by Gautami Balasri. Okay, and this Gautami Balasri was the mother of Gautamiputra Shatakarni. Okay, Gautamiputra Shatakarni defeated Nahapana of Kshatrapa dynasty. Okay, Gautamiputra Shatakarni defeated Nahapana of Kshatrapa dynasty. Okay, in the battle of Jogaltambi. In the battle of Jogaltambi, Gautamiputra Shatakarni defeated Nahapana. Okay, and Gautamiputra Shatakarni also defeated Sakas, Yavanas, and Fahalvas. Okay, and Gautamiputra Shatakarni has some titles like Ek Brahmin, Trisamudra Toya Pita Vahana, and Agama Nilaya. Okay, please make a note of all these points about Gautamiputra Shatakarni clearly. Now discuss about the next king, that is Vasishtaputra Pulomavi. Okay, or Pulomavi III. Okay, as I already told about an inscription called Nasik inscription. Okay, which was laid by Gautami Balasri. Right, this Nasik inscription was laid by Gautami Balasri during the period of Vasishtaputra Pulamavi. Okay, which tells about the greatness of Gautamiputra Shatakarni. Okay, this Vasishtaputra Pulamavi shifted capital from Python to Amaravati. Okay, he shifted the capital from Python to Amaravati, and Amaravati inscription was laid by Vasishtaputra Pulamavi. Okay, and this inscription was excavated by Mackenzie. Okay, this inscription was laid by Vasishtaputra Pulamavi, and this was excavated by Mackenzie. Okay, and during his period, Amaravati Stupa was laid. Okay, this Amaravati Stupa was laid by Naga Ashoka. Okay, who laid Amaravati Stupa means Naga Ashoka laid Amaravati Stupa. Okay, during the period of Vasishtaputra Pulamavi, Amaravati Stupa was laid. Okay, he has some titles: Navanagara Swami, and Dakshina Pradeshwara. Okay, please make a note of all these points. Now discuss about the next king, Shivasri Shatakarni. Okay, this Shivasri Shatakarni was defeated by Saka ruler Rudradaman. Okay, he was defeated by Rudradaman, and this Shivasri Shatakarni married this Rudradaman daughter. Okay, daughter of Rudradaman, Rudradamanika. Okay, he has a title Kshatrapa. Coming to next point, first Shatavahana king to issue bilingual inscription. Okay, which is in Prakrit and Tamil. Okay, this Shivasri Shatakarni was removed from family tree of Shatavahanas. Okay, coming to the next king, Yagnasri Shatakarni. He is the last greatest king among Shatavahanas. Okay, and Chinna Ganjam inscription tells about Yagnasri Shatakarni. That means we can get information of this king Yagnasri Shatakarni from Chinna Ganjam inscription. Okay, during his period, trade relations with Rome has been developed. Trade relations with Rome has been developed. okay, and he issued coins with symbol of ship, okay. Who issued coins with symbol of ship means Yagnasri Shatakarni, okay. And Acharya Nagarjuna, who is referred to as Einstein of India, okay. He is the contemporary of Yagnasri Shatakarni, okay. Acharya Nagarjuna was the contemporary of Yagnasri Shatakarni. And Sruhalekha, okay, which was written by Acharya Nagarjuna. It tells about the conversation between Acharya Nagarjuna and Yagnasri Shatakarni, okay. Now discuss about the next king, Pulamavi III, okay. He is the last king of Shatavahana dynasty, and he issued an inscription called Makadoni inscription, okay. This inscription tells about the decline of Shatavahanas, okay. Coming to next point, Sri Shantamula, okay. This Sri Shantamula defeated Pulamavi III, and he established a new kingdom called Ikshvaku dynasty, okay. By this, the Shatavahana dynasty come to an end, okay. And we also completed the political history of Shatavahanas, okay. In the next session, we will discuss about the religion, society and administration of Shatavahanas, okay. Thank you.